review of our new little sweeper vacuum, and very happy with it so far. It's very quiet. Has good sensor relationship. It's able to go up over the top of these little areas and then softly run into things. It goes over our half-inch wool carpet, transitions and wood. He's very thin. Does not seem to have any problem going underneath the furniture. I think we have standard furniture, so I don't think anyone would have a problem. Oh, there he goes. He does leave these little fur, as you see, they're right in front of him on top of that. Those are actually the wool coming off of this damn carpet. Oops, sorry, excuse me. And it always does that, and what he's doing is sweeping it up. So we have had to empty this guy out already because of the wool in this darn carpet. You see, he crawls right over the top of that thing, no problem. And as he approaches the dog, no problem. We have definition differences between fireplace and carpet and wood, and this little guy's just able to do what he needs to. And the dog doesn't seem to care too much. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. We would recommend it basically off of this performance so far. Ciao.